What up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with another ride review. Today we're in Piqua, Ohio at the Piqua Harley Davidson, and we're getting ready to take a test ride of the Roadster. It is, I think it's an 18. I think it's an 18. I think it's one of the ones that they traded back in after a year. Let's see. Doesn't say. Oh, this says 2016. So there you go. 2016, 43,000 miles on it. Under 10 grand. I bet you could get it a lot less than that. A lot less than that. Let's see. Pretty sweet bike. I've never rode a Sportster before. This will be my first Sportster I rode. I've been here pretty much most of the day. I did a test ride of the Fat Bob, or sorry, the Fat Boy. There's cottonwood all up in my stuff. I rode the Fat Boy. I did a test ride on it, and I did a test ride on the Lowrider, 2019 Lowrider. If you're into Harley Davidson test rides, I've also, if you check out my channel, I've also done ride reviews on the Slim, Softail Slim. That was an 18 I rode. This cottonwood, dude. I think that one went in my mouth.
I knew a smile.
Alright, so we're back and I'm not dead. I just freaking was choking on a piece of cottonwood. Holy crap. Anyways, we're gonna ride this 1200 Roadster. Short little test ride.
Alright, I'm up on my bike. I'm gonna stop right here and then we'll go.
Alright. Kind of excited about this. It's loud. Ooh. Touchy clutch. Touchy clutch. Yeah. 3,000 miles on it. I could see myself owning one of these for sure. This is a cool bike. Cool bike. Cheap too for $9,800. Sounds good. Sounds good. This thing sounds like a beast. A little scrunched up, but that's what you're supposed to be on this bike. Sportier bike. Tips over good. Getting ready to turn here. This is going to be a really short test ride. So, oh my gosh, this thing is loud. Holy crap, this thing's loud. So loud. It's comfortable. I like this back to the seat. It kind of comes up so it holds you from sliding back. Dude, I could get down on this bike. I could get down on this bike. Self-canceling turn signals. And the pops, dude. Dude, that radio on that bike is loud. I would put forwards on this. I will put forwards on this. This thing's a fun little bike. It's a little hard. It's definitely a little hard to ride stiff. I think you can adjust the suspension on it though, so it would loosen it up a little bit. I don't know if it's getting windier out or this thing's just putting more wind on me. Dude, this thing sounds so good, dude. Listen. The bops. Listen to that. This gravel's a little intense here. This bike is really stiff, I'm gonna tell you that right now. I kind of have to like move my foot in to get that shifter. I wonder if you could get a longer shifter peg there. This kid don't want to ride very fast. That other guy, he rides fast. Drone. I like it back popping, backfiring. Feel it in the pegs, the vibration. This ain't it definitely isn't as refined as the Milwaukee 8. It definitely isn't. You get the vibration. You get the vibration for sure in their feet. This is a fun little bike though. This ain't a distance bike. You could do distance on it, but it ain't a distance bike. It's just a fun around town bike. This guy to ride faster. Anyway, this is gonna be it. This is the end of the ride right here, coming up to the dealership. This is a fun bike. It's definitely this guy. This has got some of the features that people complain about, the vibration, stiff suspension and stuff like that, but it's a sportier bike. For Harley, this is like it's a Roadster. It's just made to pound on. Anyway, this is gonna be the end of the ride. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe today, and I'll catch you on the next video. This is Woody. Peace and I'm out.